In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Minecraft launcher not downloading or installing from the Microsoft Store on Windows. Let's get started. First thing you can do is launch settings, navigate to the option apps. Now head over to the section installed apps. Now scroll down. Look for the option system components. Now launch it. Under that you will find the option of Microsoft Store. Click on that. Now click on three dots for it and select the option advanced option. Now scroll down and click on the option terminate, then click repair and finally click reset to refresh the store's configuration. Once that's done, close the window. Now press the search bar again and type install and open the Microsoft Store to locate the Minecraft launcher. At this point, it should download and install normally. If you are still having the issue, launch your preferred browser and search for Minecraft download. Go to the official Minecraft download page, choose download for Windows and run the installer manually. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.